Hi, we are Marcus and Kaho from Team Beyond, and let us introduce Bites, a social media app catered for foodies by foodies. Let me start with the login page. We have used ClickOff to handle our registration and login. With Click, we are able to afford users with the convenience of using Gmail or regular email registration. Furthermore, we have made it such that only signed-in users are able to make and view posts. This increases the security of the website and only ensures that registered users are able to edit the data which we display on the website. By signing in with my Gmail account, we are led to the food post page. In this page, users are able to view food posts on Bytes and see posts created by all users on Bytes. We have designed it such that it is user-friendly and intuitive with a visual-oriented approach to show users images as the focal point. Moreover, we allow users to easily like posts for future use. In the post itself, users are able to read reviews and view ratings, as well as look at images. To get more information on the particular restaurant, we have integrated Google Maps functionality to display restaurant details, which are most up to date, and provided an embedded map for users. As you can see here, the restaurant title is from Google is here, the number of reviews, the ratings itself, the opening hours, the address, as well as an embedded map, which allows users to easily view the location of the restaurant. The next feature is the Create Post feature, which allows users to share their reviews on Bytes. Here, we provide an intuitive UI for users to easily upload photos and reviews of restaurants, as you can see from this demo here. After creating a post, it is reflected in the food post section, as you can see here. We leverage Google API to not require restaurant details from users, and instead, we do back-end querying to ensure data cleanliness, as you can see from this Google integration. From the posts we create, we are able to see them in the My Post page, as you can see here. And with the heart functionality, we are easily able to like posts and see them reflected and saved in the like post section. This allows users to save food places easily and to reference posts in the future for personal use. Now we move on to the food picker feature.
Food Picker feature lets users select their dietary restrictions, cuisine preferences, and their comfortable price range, and then generates a list of restaurant recommendations for them. It also uses things such as proximity by location and also restaurant opening hours to decide what to recommend users. However, the important part of this feature is the group feature. And if you click here, you'll be able to get a custom link that your friends can also use to be able to also select their preferences. For example, if we have a new phone or new tab here, and we just enter the custom link that is provided, we can actually enter our custom name. In this case, let's have a friend called Jane who joins us. And in real time, we can actually see that Jane has joined the room that we have created. From here, Jane can also pick her own preferences. And in real time, when you submit, it'll show that Jane is also ready to get a restaurant recommendation. We can also create a new user. For example, if add a new person, John, it will reflect in real time that John has joined. So this is actually using WebSockets to help us collect data in real time about our users' information. And when all members are ready, in this case, only one of them is ready, then we'll be able to generate restaurant recommendations for the group of users. Also, if we can also boot users from this group, if we just click remove, if we have John here, if you click remove, we'll see that John will be removed from the group. Let's go back to John. So you'll see that room is not available. So this lets us control who can join our group and what kind of restaurants that we can get recommended for our group.
And with that, we have introduced Bytes, a food social media app made for foodies by foodies. Thank you.